In this video, I will show you how to use our TS508WF and ITS600 tyre pressure management system tools. Since 2016, tyre pressure management systems have become a mandatory system on our passenger vehicles. Autel have an extensive tool range to support vehicle service and diagnostic activities, and our tool range can complement your tyre service activities. The TS508WF is our entry-level TPMS solution. It can read all brand sensor data, program new Autel sensors, and carry out learning functions for 170 brands. Let's see how it works. The device has a 2.8-inch colour screen, navigation and function buttons on the front, a sensor programmer slot on the top. When it's turned on, 6 options are displayed: Quick Mode, Advanced Mode, Toolkit, Latest Test, Review Data, and My Device. You can navigate these options using the arrows and selecting yes or no to carry out functions. Just before we use the tool, remember it's best to make sure it's updated so the tool has all the latest OEM data available. Join a Wi-Fi network to get the latest information. Before starting the update, ensure that the device is connected to a power supply using the cable in the box. Then press yes to start. The update can take a few moments to complete. In this demonstration, we're going to use Advanced Mode. Select the vehicle you want to check, find the model and year type from the list by using the arrows. You will notice the sensor frequency listed in this data. European cars use 433 MHz frequencies. Press yes to confirm this is the vehicle to be checked. This ensures we are using the correct vehicle communication protocols for the TPMS sensor. The device now offers 4 options: TPMS diagnostics, sensor programming, position relearn, and information. To check our vehicle tyre pressures, let's select TPMS Diagnostics. The device displays guidance instructions on the process required. Select Yes. The screen displays the vehicle and the front left-hand wheel is highlighted. Take the device to the wheel. Ensure you get close to the sensor by aiming the transponder part close to the valve and press the frequency button to trigger the sensor. The trigger action wakes up the sensor to transmit data. This is then read by the device. A healthy sensor will communicate very fast. If the sensor battery is getting low, it can be slower. If the battery is too old and has become flat, there will be no communication at all. Continue triggering the sensors as instructed by the device. Once all sensors have been read, we can check the overall status by selecting Yes. In this test, we can see the sensors are read OK. The pressure is stated with a green tick. Now we need to connect the device to the vehicle. An OBD2 adapter cable can be found in the box. Connect to the OBD2 port on the vehicle, then turn the ignition on. The device reads the vehicle ECU for known TPMS sensor IDs and locations. The sensor data is compared with what we have triggered and is now correct. It is highlighted green. If the sensor had a problem or didn't match, the sensor would be red. We can see the sensor IDs and locations have matched OK. If they didn't, we would need to do a relearn procedure. We can see here the sensor details with pressure, temperature and battery status is stated here OK. We can let the customer know we have checked them OK, and we can even print out this data if necessary by connecting the device to a PC. If a sensor needs replacing, we're going to start by programming a new sensor. If we navigate back a screen and select Sensor Programming, 4 options are displayed: Copy by OBD, Copy by Activation, Copy by Manual Input, or Auto Create 1 to 16. Let's demonstrate each method. Copy by OBD reads the existing data in the vehicle ECU. This can then be directly copied to any new sensors. Copy by Activation, or manual inputting of the ID data, uses the existing data from current sensors to be written into the new sensors. This can save time as the ECU already knows the IDs and locations, so no extra learning procedure is needed, but the sensors need to be carefully managed one by one to ensure all stays correct. To save time, multiple sensors can be programmed at the same time rather than individually, like when you have to copy. This vehicle is using a 433 MHz frequency sensor. Make sure you select the Autel 433 MHz MX sensor from your stock. OK, let's show you how to copy by OBD. As we have already collected the data, the device asks should we use it. Select yes. The sensor data is now listed. Navigate to the sensor you want to copy. Make sure that the new sensor to be programmed is near the programming slot, then select yes to copy. The device will recognise the sensor and begin to program the copied data. Just remember that if you have too many sensors near the programming slot area, the device cannot start programming as it doesn't know which sensor to program. And the last reminder, ensure that the sensor is fitted to the vehicle in the location it originally came from, otherwise incorrect data will be transmitted to the car display. If we cannot connect to the vehicle, we can copy by activation. Select Copy by Activation. Select the sensor you wish to copy, have the new sensor ready, place in the program area, and select Yes. The data will now be copied to this sensor. If a sensor is no longer working, but you know the ID from a previous record, this can be written manually to the sensor. Select Copy by Manual Input, then use the navigation buttons to enter the desired ID number. Confirm with the device this is correct by pressing Yes. Add a new sensor into the programming area and the device writes the data automatically. The Auto Create procedure can be used to make sensor IDs in bulk. The TS508WF can write up to 16 sensors in one mode. This is incredibly useful if you are changing multiple sensors on the same vehicle model, or you have a lot of the same vehicle model constantly coming through your dealership. As we have now created new ID numbers for the sensors, we have to follow up with a learning procedure so the vehicle ECU knows what sensors are in the system and which location they are positioned. The easiest way is to carry out the OBD relearn. Navigate to the menu, select Position Relearn. Select the OBD relearn, then follow the instructions. As before, scan all the sensors when prompted, then connect to the OBD2 port. The new position data will then be written to the vehicle ECU. If you want to enhance your customer experience, you can provide a short report for the customer. After the test, take the device and connect to the PC using the USB cable provided. Open the browser, select the Autel device. Select the record to then open the report. Here you can add the customer and vehicle data and also make notes about the job. Remember, the device only stores the last data recorded, so if you want to make a report, ensure you do it before you start a new job. With ever-increasing security protection on vehicles, on some new modern cars, OEMs have introduced security gateways. This can restrict the functionality of the TS508WF when we need to connect the ECU for copying and doing a relearn procedure for the new sensors. The TS508WF is a very competent device, but some manufacturers use Bluetooth sensors. The TS508WF is not supporting Bluetooth sensors. The Autel ITS600 is a professional TPMS tool with all the capability of the TS508WF, but with even more functionality to make the tool even more powerful in your workshop. The 5.5-inch colour touchscreen combined with the clear Autel user interface allows easy navigation between functions for the user. Connect the vehicle using the V200 VCI, which enables instant identification of the VIN number, so no more manual selection is needed. This connection also allows service functions to be carried out with service counters reset. This tool has OEM authentication ability to allow subscription to secure gateways when needed. This ensures the OBD2 relearn procedure can be carried out effortlessly. The ITS600 can be set to multiple languages for more usability in your location. The data from the TPMS recorded on the ITS600 can be reported directly to the Autel cloud for even easier access for distribution of the report data. This professional report supports your service activities and creates customer confidence and satisfaction. On the device, press the 3 dots and select Report. Add details in the boxes to personalise the report for the customer. Once complete, press the clipboard icon. The report is then created. Select View Report. The report listed is then displayed. If the report has been successfully uploaded, the green tick mark and cloud icon is displayed. If there is no green tick mark, check your internet signal and report settings. To see the report, log into your cloud account on the computer. Select the device, then select Reports. The latest report will be on the top. Select to open and check the data. From here, it can be printed, downloaded, or linked to an email to be shared directly to the customer. With this video, we hope that you can get even more functionality from your Autel TPMS tools and help you deliver a more complete tyre service solution for your customers. If you have any questions about the tools, please don't hesitate to drop a message in the comments box below and we will get back to you.